Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the restaurant staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why do American servers check on you so many times during your meal? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am so excited. This is my first time at a sit-down restaurant in America.
Oh, you will love it. But there are a few things you should know before we go in.
Like what?
Well, first, when we walk in, do not just sit down at any table.
Why not?
Because someone called a host will come and take us to our table. You have to wait.
Really? In my country, we just find an empty table and sit down.
Yeah, it is different here. Most restaurants have a sign near the door. It says, "Please wait to be seated."
Oh, I see. So we wait at the door.
Yes, exactly. The host will ask how many people we have and then take us to a table.
Okay, that is easy. Anything else?
One more thing. During dinner, our server will come to our table many times.
Many times? Why? Is something wrong?
No, it's a good thing. Trust me. They will ask if everything is okay, if we need more water, things like that.
That sounds nice.
It is. I will explain more about it later. For now, let's go inside.
Wait, I have one more question. How much should I expect to pay?
Well, the food prices on the menu do not include tax. Tax is added at the end.
Oh, so it costs a little more than the menu price?
Yes, a little more. And there is also a tip for the server, but we can talk about that later too.
Okay, let's go in. I'm really hungry.
All right, let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to Riverside Grill. How many in your party?
2, please.
Do you have a reservation tonight?
No, we don't. We are walk-ins. Is that okay?
Of course. We do have a short wait right now. It should be about 10 minutes. Can I get a name?
Sure. Ellie.
Great, Ellie. I will call your name when your table is ready.
Thank you.
While you wait, feel free to look at our menu. We have it on the board over there.
Oh, nice. I can start thinking about what to order.
That is a great idea. We have some really good specials tonight.
What are the specials?
Tonight, we have grilled salmon with rice and vegetables for $14.99. We also have a pasta with tomato sauce for $11.49.
Those sound good. I will think about it.
Take your time.
Thank you. Can I ask you something? What does party mean? You said, how many in your party?
Oh, good question. Party just means your group. How many people are eating together?
Ah, okay. I thought you were talking about a birthday party or something.
No, it is just a restaurant word for your group.
Good to know. Thank you.
Ellie, your table is ready. Would you prefer a booth or a regular table?
What is a booth?
A booth has soft seats on both sides, like a box. A regular table has chairs.
Oh, a booth sounds nice and comfortable. A booth, please.
Perfect. Follow me, please.
Thank you so much.
Here you are. Your server will be with you soon. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you, Chris.
Okay, let's look at the menu.
Wow, there are so many sections. What are all these?
Let me show you. At the top, you have appetizers. Those are small dishes you eat before the main food.
Like a salad or soup?
Yes, exactly. Things like soups, salads, and small plates to share.
Okay. And what is next?
The next section is entrees. That is the main food, the biggest part of your meal.
Wait, entree is a French word, right? In French, it means a starter, not the main dish.
You are right about the French meaning, but in America, entree means the main course. It's a little strange, I know.
That is funny. So entree here is the big dish.
Yes, chicken, steak, fish, pasta, those are all entrees.
Got it. What about sides?
Sides are small dishes that come with your entree, like French fries, rice, or vegetables.
Oh, like extra food on the side. That makes sense.
Then you have desserts, sweet things, after your meal, and drinks at the bottom.
Okay, I think I understand the menu now. Let me look at the prices. The grilled chicken is $13.99.
That looks good.
But wait, is this the final price? Does it include tax?
No, it does not. The prices on the menu do not include tax. The tax is added to your bill at the end.
So it will cost more than $13.99.
Yes, a little more. Tax is usually around 7 to 10%, depending on where you are.
Okay, good to know. I do not want to be surprised.
Smart. Also, remember the tip on top of that, but we'll figure that out later.
So many extra costs, but the food looks really good. I think I want the grilled chicken.
Good choice. I'm gonna try the steak.
Hi there, my name is Lisa, and I will be taking care of you tonight. How are you two doing?
We are doing great, thank you. We are very hungry.
Well, you came to the right place. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I get a glass of water?
Of course. Tap water is free here. And for your friend?
She will have a Coke, please.
Sure thing. And just so you know, refills are free on all soft drinks.
That is great, thank you.
I will be right back with your drinks. Take your time with the menu.
Actually, I think we are ready to order.
Oh, wonderful. What can I get for you?
I will have the steak, please.
Great choice. How would you like your steak? We have rare, medium, medium well, and well done.
Medium, please.
Medium it is. That comes with a side. Would you like fries, rice, or a salad?
I will take the fries, please.
Perfect. And for your friend?
She wants the grilled chicken, please. And can she get that without onions?
No onions on the grilled chicken. No problem at all. And her side?
She will have the salad, please.
Great. So 1 medium steak with fries and 1 grilled chicken, no onions, with a salad. Did I get everything right?
Yes, that is perfect.
Wonderful. I will put that in right away. Your food should be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes.
Sounds good. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome. And if you need anything at all, just let me know. I will come back to check on you in a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Of course. That's what I'm here for.
Here comes our food.
Wow, look at this. The plate is so big.
Yeah, American restaurants usually give you a lot of food.
I don't think I can eat all of this. There is so much chicken, and the salad is huge.
Don't worry. If you can't finish it, we can ask for a to-go box.
A to-go box? What is that?
It is a box. You put your leftover food in it and take it home.
Oh, is that normal here? In my country, it feels a little strange to take food home from a restaurant.
In America, it is totally normal. Everyone does it. There's nothing strange about it.
That is great. I hate throwing away food.
Me too. So just eat what you can, and we will take the rest home.
Good idea. This chicken is really good.
My steak is great too. How do you like it so far?
I love it. Oh, look, Lisa is coming back again.
Yeah, she just asked, "How is everything?" Did you notice she has come to our table 3 times already?
Yes, I noticed. She came to bring the drinks, then she came to check on us, and now she came again. Why does she come so many times?
That is a really good question. I will tell you the answer after dinner. Just remember it.
Okay, now I really want to know.
Trust me, it is interesting. You will understand a lot about American restaurants when I explain it.
Fine, I will wait. For now, let me enjoy this chicken. Can you pass me the salt, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, this is so good with a little salt. Do you want to try some of my chicken?
Sure, and you can try some of my steak.
Your steak is delicious. How did you know to order it medium?
I just like it that way. Not too red inside, not too dry.
I think I will order steak next time.
Good idea. Let's enjoy the rest of our meal.
Excuse me, Lisa. Can we get the check, please?
Of course, I will bring it right over.
Thank you.
Here is your check. Take your time looking at it. No rush at all.
Thank you. Let me see. Okay, so the steak was $16.99. The chicken was $13.99.
That is right. And the Coke was $2.49. The water is free.
So the price before tax is $33.47, and then there is tax.
Yes, tax is $2.68.
So the total before tip is $36.15.
That is correct. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
No problem. I will bring the card machine. One moment.
Thank you.
Here you go. Just put your card in and follow the steps on the screen.
Okay. Done. Now I need to add the tip.
The tip line is right there on the receipt.
Right. So I want to leave about 18%. 18% of $36.15. That's about $6.50.
You can just write the tip amount on that line.
Okay, $6.50 on the tip line, and the total with tip is $42.65. Let me write that and sign it.
Thank you so much. That is very kind. You two were wonderful.
Thank you, Lisa. The food was delicious and the service was excellent.
I am so glad you enjoyed it. Do you need a to-go box for anything?
Yes, please. My friend could not finish her chicken.
I will bring one right away.
Thank you.
Here's your to-go box, and here's your receipt. Thank you for coming to Riverside Grill. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Lisa. You too.
Good night.
That was such a great dinner. I am so full.
Me too. And you have leftovers for tomorrow.
Yes, I will eat the rest of this chicken for lunch tomorrow.
See, the to-go box is the best thing about American restaurants.
Maybe. But Sam, I still want to know something. Lisa came to our table so many times. I think it was at least 5 times. Why do servers do that?
Okay, are you ready for the answer?
Yes, tell me.
In America, servers get a small amount of money per hour from the restaurant. Most of their money comes from tips.
So tips are really important for them?
Yes, very important. Tips are a big part of their pay. If they give great service, people usually leave a bigger tip. That is why they check on you many times. They want to make sure you are happy.
Oh, that explains everything. Lisa was so friendly and nice because she wanted to give us great service.
Exactly. And she did give great service, so we left a good tip.
How much did you leave?
About 18%. People usually give 15 to 20%.
What if the service is bad?
You can leave less, like 10%, but you should almost always leave something.
That is so different from my country. We do not have this system.
Yeah, every country is different. Oh, and one more thing. If you go with a large group, like 6 or more people, the restaurant might add the tip for you.
Really? They add it for you?
Yes, it happens sometimes. It's called gratuity included. It means the tip is already in the bill, so you don't have to do the math yourself.
That is actually helpful. I'm not good at math after a big dinner.
Nobody is.
Well, thank you for teaching me all of this, Sam. Now I know how American restaurants work.
You are welcome. Next time, you can order and pay by yourself.
Maybe, but I will still need help with the tip math.
We can practice.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why do American servers check on you so many times during your meal? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.